Good morning, Atlantic Coast. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. Please be seated. It's Wednesday, August 17th, and welcome to the Morning Rays. Here are today's announcements. Come out and support our football team tomorrow night when we host the Ribault Trojans in a kickoff classic game beginning at 7 p.m. in Stingray Bay. The first regular season football game will be next Friday, August 26th, when we host Mandarin. Be sure to purchase your Sting the Stangs t-shirt. The only sizes available are large and extra large, and the price is $15. The shirts can be purchased before and after school only in Mrs. Braswell's room 326. The boys and girls cross-country team is currently holding tryouts for the 2016 season. All prospective runners must have a current sports physical on file. Anyone interested can meet at the track at 2:45 today, and if you have any questions, please contact Coach Valero in room 126 or Coach Lee in the gym. Boys golf tryouts are tomorrow at 3 p.m. at Windsor Park Golf Course. You must have a completed FHSAA physical to try out. Attention all girls interested in joining the bowling team. There's a meeting tomorrow after school. All girls interested should come to room 505 no later than 2:10 p.m. If you can't attend, you need to see Miss Solomon in room 505 before tomorrow. There will be an interest meeting for the girls golf team this Monday, August 22nd at 2:15 in room 510. If you can't make it to the meeting, contact Mr. Fink in room 510 or Coach Blunt in the gym. Any girls interested in playing softball, please stop by Coach Hooper's room 537 to pick up your athletic paperwork and fundraising forms either before or after school only. For all girls interested in playing fast pitch softball, there will be an informational meeting next Thursday, August 25th in Coach Hooper's room 537. Anyone interested in diving, tryouts will be held today at 3 o'clock at Wolfson High School. Do you like trivia or like to play Jeopardy? Do you like to compete? If you said yes, then Brain Brawl, our school's academic team, might be the place for you. Come on out to room 624 on Monday starting next week. See Mr. Frenzel in room 624 or Miss Curran in room 613 if you have any questions. The first meeting for the Guitar Club will be on Tuesday, September 6th at 2 p.m. in room 334. And finally, the Robotics Club, sponsored by Mrs. Grizel and Mr. Brown, will hold its first meeting next Monday, August 22nd in room 304 from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. Competitions are already forthcoming and the club is open to 9th through 12th graders. Stop by room 304 any day after school to pick up an information sheet from Mrs. Grizel. Those are all the announcements for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday.